If you have not seen beyond the grave, it is because you are a slave to a god who has a penis. And that penis can be removed.
Pay attention and let's see what he has to say.
Fantastic. Oh God, I love you. I love you so much. I brought my whip. Listen, I need to be rational and straightforward to you. I have 30 minutes to present to you something absolutely gorgeous, with maybe some background lovely music. Now, listen to me, those of you who don't know me. I'm real. I'm a classical philologist, PhD. I do ancient Greek from 1500 BC to about 1200 Anno Domini. And I have found things that nobody else has found. And I'm bringing those things to you tonight in the form of one woman. Her name was Medea, and she is the first Christ. She created a system of medicine based upon the use of poisons and antidotes, based upon the use of drugs that will give you revelatory vision. If you have not seen beyond the grave, it is because you are a slave to a god who has a penis. And that penis can be removed by the goddess. People, the medicine you stand on now comes from a woman whose name was Medea. Entire ethnicities joined her, came to her cause. She was made Queen of Babylon. Her power stretched all the way to Rome. She was known for her wisdom, what she could do, what she could hand on. She provided an example of the first savior. The first savior was a woman. The first savior was not a man. It was a woman, and that woman brought a creation of healing to people, the very foundation, the thing we call medicine. Through her mind, Junius has channeled, Joe, the poet, has channeled that muse. And he works with that muse to bring her forward. I want to fill in her image a little bit about who she is for just a minute. She's going to change your world. She is the first Christ, the one who invented the drugs that would wash off your mortality. And how do you wash off your mortality? It sounds like it hurts. It does. It does. They said it burned. And the babies that get it don't live long. The ones that make it through the process and all the painful screaming, these girls are the oracles. What? Yes, it's a process to refine a woman. It's a process to take the human body that is feminine and turn it into a salvation, a form of enlightenment. It is the mystery of sex. And you say, what? Sex is not a mystery, it's a thing where people put the hoo-ha and the flitter-flatter and you get little kids coming out. That's what sex is. No, it turns out sex is a mystery. It is an explanation of life and the achievement of the orgasm is a means of enlightenment, and that is why all men must be castrated. If you think I am talking about foreign things, please remember, blessed are the eunuchs for the sake of the kingdom of heaven. We have taken the human body and we have turned it into a place that can create sacraments, a place that can give you life, can submerge you into death, cause you to see what is beyond, what you are waiting for, where all your fucking dead relatives are waiting for you. It allows you to go there and then pulls you back. The creation of the first Christ, whose name was Medea. She's not a myth, she's not a figment, she's an historical person, and the reason you don't know about her is because of the last Christ. Medea shows us we are in need of the Great Mother. I hope that you will come tonight and you will gain a fever for bringing justice and democracy to this world, a fever for doing what is right, and a fever for protecting the children who are in the world. When Joe summons her, he summons the protector of children. There will be a day in this land. I will end with this prophecy. There will be a day in this land when you no longer worship people accused of crimes against children. When you will no longer have princes who are rapists. When you will no longer have popes who have to apologize for all of the abuse of you and your family members. That day will come. I want you to remember that the followers of Satanic congregation, I want you to remember that those people say something. They say, "Hail Satan." And they say, "Hail Satan," for one reason, because they have seen her. They have seen the one that Joe sings about. And they know in a world where Jesus is arrested with a naked kid in a public park, Mark 14:51 and 52, that we must all say, "Hail Satan."
Hail Satan!
Thank you for coming tonight. Thank you. Support Junius. The voice of the muse is speaking through them. Thank you.
Hail Medea! Hail Satan!